Julie? Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
It's been a while since I
Yes,
saw
how are you?
So today we're going to be doing the Broadband Light on you. We're going to help improve some of your redness that you have going on and some of the discoloration. I just want to make sure there's no contraindications before we start. Have you had any sun exposure the last 3 weeks?
Not really, no.
Good. How about a self-tanner? Have you put anything like self-tanning or anything like that? Good. And have you been on any antibiotics?
No.
Last 10 days?
No.
Okay, great. So you're pretty much all clear. I want to make sure, so you go over this here and then sign at the bottom. Just make sure we're all good and clear. Great. So after the Broadband Light, you will experience a little redness. It should subside in like a day or two. And some of the discoloration will come up to the top of the skin. It'll look darker and it will look like coffee grinds, and then it'll just flake off. So do you have any questions?
Do I wear sunscreen right after, or
Yeah.
how long do I have to wait before I put on makeup?
You can wear makeup the next day.
Okay.
And I will put sunblock on you before you leave, for sure. Yes.
Great.
So, okay, let's get started.
Great.
So the way I do the BBL, which is the Broadband Light, this is a light energy. It goes into the skin. It's attracted to any kind of discoloration or broken capillaries in the skin. So it's going to heat them up and disperse them throughout the skin. And basically, we're going to go over the skin 3 different times. The first pass, which is several passes at a lower energy, and it's pulses. And basically, I'm just going over the skin and I'm heating up the skin right now. Then the next treatment, the next pass will actually be me going in at a different parameter and really just concentrating on the different areas that she needs to work on. So in this case, mostly discoloration, mostly broken capillaries, a little bit discoloration, but mostly broken capillaries. So we're going to go in and work on those. And then my third pass will be just a lot of pulses at a lower energy at a deeper depth to stimulate collagen and elastin in the skin. And I absolutely love this treatment. I think everyone should do it at least once every 3 months after their first series of 3. And so we're going to go in here and just kind of work at her skin. A little bit of Hydrinity spray. Hydrinity restorative serum. This is really good for any redness. It's really hydrating to the skin. We used it a lot for post-treatment. Take these off. My Hydra Tint SPF. And we're all done, Julie.
It's wonderful.
So this is just a snippet of my day. One of the treatments I do. And if you're interested in coming in for a complimentary consultation, I do the Visia analysis. It's going to give you a really good look at your skin from the inside out. If you're interested in coming in, leave us a comment, DM us, or give us a call.